In this video, we're going to look at the review options you have in Word. So for example, if you're checking your grammar or your spelling or doing your word count. So at the moment, you'll see that we're in the Home tab. I'm going to click onto the Review tab. So just further along to the right, click on Review. And if you look along the ribbon, you will see all the various options that you can have with regard to reviewing documents. So for example, let's just say we wanted to do a word count. I'm on the page here, click on word count, and you will see statistics come up. The pages I'm using 1, and there's been 84 words with 480 characters and so on. It's also identified actually, I've got 2 lines and 11 paragraphs. You can use the Thesaurus in this section, so let's imagine we want to change the word from decreased. Let's find an alternative, so I'm just going to either highlight the word or click somewhere in the word, go up to my Thesaurus, have a look, and you will see down the right hand side the word is there, and right down the right hand side is your list of other vocabulary. If you want to type in something, let's put in, increase, let's search and see what comes up here. Again, it will give you the list of words that you might want to use instead. In this section here, you can also see, as well as word count and thesaurus, we have got the editor. I've just clicked somewhere in my document, and the editor is a feature. In this case, it's beep. There's nothing for it to check, it's been done already. But here, if you have a large document, you've got here, it'll help you corrections with spelling and grammar and refinements for clarity, conciseness, formality and punctuation. So lots and lots of help if you've got the bones of a document and you want to check to make sure it is edited to the best possible point. The other thing we could do is if you want to listen to the text rather than have to read it yourself. If I click on the read aloud, I'll just click off editor. There's a read aloud button. When I click on it, it will start speaking. When I click off it, it will stop. So for example here,
the red squirrel or Eurasian red squirrel is a species of tree squirrel common throughout Eurasia.
So that is the read aloud function, which also can be very helpful. You could, in fact, in this section, there's lots of different things, but even for example here, we could put in a comment. So perhaps you're sharing a document and you want to add something or a reminder or something. I could go along to new comment, click on it, and then you can see, you could type in something. Sometimes when you're working, you may have a comment that you have to action something, and you might be asked to delete the comment once you finish. So to get rid of a comment, you simply have to click at the comment, and then I'm right clicking here. Well, actually I could go up here and delete it up the top here, or right click and I could just delete the comment that way, or you can reply to the comment. Something else in here, there's a few other things, but for example, if you were needing to translate your document, so I could just click on under language, under translate, click on it once, translate the document, the whole document or selection, click on it again, translator is now showing down the right hand side, and let's say you want to do it from detect, and then you have your whole list of languages. I was using Chinese before, so I'll just go back to Chinese traditional, and then click on translate, and then there you have your document has been translated into a different language. So that is just looking at the review tab in Word, and I do hope that helps.